Wayon Quartz stone selects high-quality quartz sand, high hardness, wear resistance, anti-falling, environmental protection and no radiation, anti-bacterial and moisture-proof properties, bring a healthy and safe experience. Also supports drawing customization, aesthetics and practicality. Create an ideal life for you. We have provided one-stop matching service solutions for stone projects, including material research and development, supply, detailed design, and installation guidance to commercial real estate, high-end hotels, home furnishing brands, and engineering clients in over 50 countries and regions worldwide. Wayon is not just a product, it's a commitment to quality living. Contact us now for free samples and experience quality and aesthetics.